My name is Mark Daly. I'm an immigration lawyer with Immigration and Naturalization Attorneys. I've been an immigration lawyer for over 10 years. I've helped thousands of people get their green cards. I'm also a trainer with Transformative Training Solutions, and I train lawyers on how to practice immigration law in business, family, and detention and removal curriculum. I wanted to discuss a detention and removal curriculum with you now because it fills a need that is not really covered. You know, the American Immigration Lawyers Association have great programs on detention and removal, but what happens is that you get a class here and a class there that might last one day or so, maybe a half day or just even 1 hour. This is different because this is a 3-day intensive training on detention and removal law, and you're actually able to prepare cases that are reviewed by me and that are based on real facts that allow you to get the practical application of the law while at the same time you're learning the law that's applicable in these cases. So it's a great way to learn in a short period of time a huge amount of information. So in this training then, the detention and removal training, the whole first day is detention. The whole first day is preparing for a bond hearing. And the way we do it is when you sign up for the training, we send you an email with a PDF that's got an entire file on it, which is questionnaires about the immigrant, criminal records, marriage certificate, all the stuff you need for the bond, and we provide you with some of the legal background on how to draft a bond hearing brief. So you've never done one before, but you're going to do one before you even come, and it's really great because forces you to know, what you don't know. You come in with all these questions and you hit the ground running. So the first day we're going to go through your bond motion and you're going to argue your bond motion, and that's going to give us an opportunity to go deep into it. Some of the things we look at are the notice to appear. What is the notice to appear that is served on an immigrant that tells them they have to go into immigration court and also tells them the reason that they're going to be deported? That's a big thing we cover. We also, you have to know relief. You have to know at the very beginning what's going to happen at the very end of the case. So we start by showing you some of the relief that's available in immigration court. And then, because bonds are based on someone being in detention, we also cover a lot of the constitutional grounds for suppression of evidence. Because when you first meet that client in jail, you've got to know, okay, what kind of possible suppression motions can I raise? So we go into that kind of information too. And we just did a training, and the participants were very, very impressed and happy and feeling totally empowered that they could go out after this one training and start doing detention work. So that was really great. The next day is we go into the removal hearing, the next phase of detention and removal. And because someone has usually done something wrong to land in a deportation hearing, we cover the criminal basis of deportation in depth. It's an area I really love to work in. It's difficult, it's really complicated, it's changing all the time. And in this last one that we did, we looked at the Silva Trevino case and the Duena case and got really deep into the current constitutional realm of deportation and what makes a criminal conviction. It's very complicated, and that's why we go for a whole day. We go for a whole day diving into it. And you're going to, at that point, also look again at the suppression motion, where it can be actually used in the removal hearing, how to plead it, and what you do at a master calendar hearing. You show up, what am I supposed to say? What am I supposed to do? We walk you through, step by step, what you've got to do at the master calendar. And then the third day is all the different types of relief you can actually get in deportation, because this is what's great about deportation and removal, is that you get an opportunity to actually get the person permanent residency or remove a bad scar on their record. So we look at adjustment of status, and we actually prepare a complete adjustment of status packet. We look at cancellation of removal. We prepare a cancellation of removal packet. We also look at voluntary departure and political asylum claims. And because political asylum is more of a theoretical, we don't go into preparing a political asylum claim, but we do talk about it. And then we also finally look at appeals. We look at all the possibility for appeals to the Board of Immigration Appeals and Federal Court of Appeals. So this is the type of work that we're doing at Transformative Training Solutions to train you in deportation and removal defense. And if you're interested, you can go to immigrationlawtraining.com and you'll have all the website, the description of the pricing, and all of the curriculum for these types of classes. So wish you the best of luck in your pursuit in the immigration law. And this is very important to remember with regard to the training. When you book your training with Transformative Trainings at immigrationlawtraining.com, tell them you saw this video on the internet and you'll get a $200 discount on the training program.